Hello my friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to talk about a very simple topic. We are talking about the relative pronouns. I believe you heard them with your school teachers. Relative pronouns. We are focusing on three of them. The first one is which, then we have who here, and we have that. We use which for things, right? We use which for things. We use who for people, and we use that for both. We use that for things and we use that for people. But I understand you don't understand what this is all about yet. Just be patient and let's continue. So we have examples for which. The car which was parked outside belongs to my neighbor. So the car which was parked. O carro que estava parqueado lá fora. The car which, right? We're talking about the car. A car is a thing, right? Is a thing. The car which was parked, que estava parqueado outside, belongs to my neighbor. Very simple. Now I want to show you a different scenario. We have here who, right? We use who for people. The teacher. So the teacher is a person, he or she. The teacher who, we use who because the teacher is a person. The teacher who taught me English is retiring. Very simple. Which for things, the car. Who for people, the teacher. This is the difference between which and who. Now, we have that. I told you that we use that for both things and people. Let's check it. Let's check our examples here. We have the book. The book, a book is a thing or a person, of course. A book is not a person, it's a thing. The book that, o livro que eu perdi, the book that I lost was amazing. The book that I lost was amazing. O livro que eu perdi era incrível. So, the book, things. Now we have the man, right? The man that. Do you see? The man is a person. We are using that again. So we can use that for things and we can use that for people. The man that fixed. My car did a great job. The man that fixed my car did a great job. All right. Everything may sound confusing at first, but just take a break, okay? And write two sentences using which, two sentences using which, two sentences using who, two sentences using that, just to test if you understand this or not. Okay, these are links from ChatGPT to practice the pronouns we've been learning. Let me open the first one. Right, so we need to choose. We have three options: which, who, or I don't know. Let me just put I don't know. Okay. I don't know, and I don't know. All right, let's get started. We have here one. Did you take the bike? We have to choose who or which. Did you take the bike? Do we use who or which? Let's remember that bike is not a person. We use which for things. So we choose which because bike is a thing. Did you take the bike which was in the shed? 2. Give me the remote control. Who or which? Let's ask the question. Remote control. Is it a person or a thing? It's not a person, it's a thing. So we choose which. Give me the remote control which is on the table, please. Number 3, the girl, who or which? Girl is a person or is a thing? Girl is a person, so we use who. The girl who is standing there is Namil, right? Very simple. So you just do the test, you continue, and then you check my test. You check your test. All right. We have here number 1 is correct. Did you take the bike which was in the shed? Give me the remote control which is on the shed, please. The girl who is standing there is Namil. And then we have 4, I did not answer, we have no answer, no answer. But then the app will show you the right option. This is the fun of the game. So this link is in the description of the video. You can just open the link and practice alone. It's a very cool game. Now let's just revise everything. Let's read relative pronouns. Relative pronouns. Which used for things, who used for people, that used for both things and people. Examples: the car which was parked outside belongs to my neighbor. The teacher who taught me English is retiring. The book that I lost was amazing. And finally, the man that fixed my car did a great job. If you have any doubt, write in the comment section and see you in the next video. Of course, don't forget to like, to share, and to subscribe.